so many lightning bolts, I wish I could catch them all.
Whoa!
I'm burning up. Woo. Heat index today was up to 100, and this is what comes out of it after a long, hot day. Look at that. Look at the rain blowing in sheets.
The rain is coming down in sheets, you guys. It's awesome. It's awesome.
The rain is actually comfort.
Is that hail?
Dude, that's hail. I just saw it bounce off the windshield. It left them. It's leaving marks. You can see that.
I don't see it.
I'm not seeing a whole lot, but a few hailstones.
I see a little bit, actually.
Oh, there it is again. Dude, in 10 minutes, this is what it went from. Gosh.
Oh, man.
The east might be a bit more active now since it looks like to pass overhead.
I was going to give my mom a call here in a minute to let her know I'm alright.
Yeah, I might have to do that here.
Oh, man. It's out this way now.
It is toasty in here. Well,
way to use one of our NASCAR rumble codes. I feel like we're under one of them electrified fuzz balls.
Oh my gosh. So this is what they're seeing in the game. I can't believe how much it looked like a wedge tornado at the beginning.
Our poor trailer over there.
Who is that?
I don't know. Could it be Ryan?
That looks like another Jeep actually. Pulling out of the... I didn't even see him pull in.
Dude, it's like stopped raining.
If it stops, we're probably going to have to get out and, well... not so much anymore. It's just pounding on the back.
Oh.
5 seconds in this and we would have been drenched. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Bill and Joe sitting in that tornado, and then all of a sudden the rain just stops right after it passes over. Water spouts, actually.
Yeah, the water spouts came on the road. That's funny. I like that movie.
Man.
I love that movie.
That lightning is so quick. That's tornadic lightning for you. We've seen a ton of that today. If only we could have caught every one of it on video. The parking lot's already flooding. My front yard is flooded now, that's for sure.
We might want to drive by when I'm getting ready to go home here a little bit. You might want to drive by your house just to see what's going on.
My phone's vibrating. It's either my mom or a text from Wish. TV 8 Minutes. That is a text from somebody. Text from Mom. Where are you at? It's pouring. At the school. I'll have to reply to that.
I'm on my third part here because I made a part at the house. My hands are sweaty.
Yeah. Now I set the rain light up maybe for a second. We can get out. I wonder how much cooler it's going to be after we get out.
I don't know, but anything's better than sitting in here right now.
Jeez. The windows are so fogged up. I wish we could roll them down. I wonder what those people think of us.
They probably think we're insane. Oh man, I can see now.
Dude, that's a lot better actually.
Do it to your side.
Oh my gosh. Look at that purple. What was that for? all that.
It's top any storm I've seen this year, except May 25th.
Dude, that way. I don't even know what that red is from. It's like glowing red over there. I wonder if something caught on fire.
Well, there's a street light over there that's red.
This is definitely going to be on the news. This storm. And we might have some good screenshots to send in, I'm guessing. Lighten up a little bit. Come on.
Crap.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'll put the power went up there so it's
The sauna in here. I'm gonna let the air conditioning run for a little bit. I'm gonna start it up.
Turn the radio off a bit.
I'm gonna listen for it. 113's out. Their antenna got struck, I'm guessing. They're always clear. They had to switch to their low power antenna because their main antenna got struck. That's the only thing it could be. Huh. Oh yeah, the air conditioning. Yeah. Wow. This is gonna feel so much better. That's insane. It smells like rain too.
Yeah, that air conditioner letting in the air
From the outside.
Oh man.
It smells just like rain in the Jeep, man.
I love that.
It's awesome. Feels good too. Oh, okay. New direction in the south. We gotta do something crazy here. Yeah. It's kind of deep to step out in with your shoes.
Oh man, I love that smell.
Whew.
Oh.
I wonder if you guys on YouTube can smell it. No, probably not. I want to face east. I could turn the car around. Oops. Why the lights go off? Did I turn the lights on there? Might have. Oh, what I actually put.
I get the message.
I don't know. Lights are on. Let's go ahead and turn this off for a little bit. Should have put the battery down.
Storm's calmed down a lot.
That'd be a good thing. Thank you.
Oh yeah, it's clearing off out here.
Sweet. Well, that means we can get out soon.
Doesn't technically mean that's the last storm, it just means it might be the break for a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. There was quite a line up north.